Special Billy Coach. Ako po si Alster from Oxfam Pilipinas, no? So, una po, thank you very much, Beta, for extending the invitation, no? We've gathered 60 people from different organization partners po ni Oxfam. Friends of Oxfam are here to also watch, no? But siguro we are here po because we resonate, no? Yung Nobody is Home revealed the human cost of care in migration. And Oxfam is working, actually has 2 projects on care work. Our partner, Rian, is working as one of our partners, Learn. And also, just want to give a shout out to the United Domestic Workers of the Philippines. Sila po ay mga domestic workers na nariyan po na partner namin. Of course, hindi ko na po isa-isa, WNPC, Reboot Philippines, Friends from CHR, Oxfam America, CSWCD, Friends from Department of Health. Our Board of Trustees, even here, is our Ed De La Torre. But what we would like po is, number 1, if we have noticed and observed the gendered social norms that cuts across, not just in the Philippines, but also in Germany. If you look at the case of Marlene, no? She's a mother giving some orange juice to her daughter, cooking while her husband is doing something that really tells us that the struggle is global. No? So that's one po. And there's a survey made by Oxfam in 2021, no, during the pandemic. Kung narinig nyo na po, if you have read it, 13 hours are spent on unpaid care work done by women compared to 8 hours only done by men. Considering that we are on a lockdown and we are all staying at home, so that again reveals something, no? That there is inequality in terms of care, and the care work has 2 components. Kung makikita niyo po si Nurse Sky, isa is paid care kasi bayad sila, no? They're doing services for the patients. Ang pangalawa, unpaid care and domestic work. She's thinking of her son back in the Philippines. The mothers are doing unpaid care work. Care work remains invisible. Hindi po natin sila nakikita. Hindi natin sila binibigyan ng value. Pagluto ng pagkain, pagwalis ng bahay are just invisible po. No? So, we really resonate po that Oxfam is in support of giving dignity. Yung sabi nga po kanina, no, uplifting the rights, no, that care work is work and it's real work. And it's not something.
Very true. Very true. So, do you have any question to our artistic team?
Sige po.
I mean,
no, my question po is parang how, in terms of policies in Germany, if there are, no, because in the Philippines that's also one problem. If there is none, there's lack of a care policy that support women, no? Especially the care workers. So.
I'm sorry, I had to process the question a little bit. I don't know if I can answer this fully, but of course in the German system we already pay, as every taxpayer pays something like health insurance also for care insurance, and this is given by the government then back to the elderly homes, to everything. So, but it's not fully it's not fully subsidized. And the second thing is, maybe Rian actually knows more about it than I do because she's so internationally connected. But the second thing is in Germany that I think that we share, that of course the care work is not acknowledged enough because, as you said, care work is mainly done by women, also the paid care work, and all jobs which are mainly women are not so well paid as other jobs. Of course, there is many unions fighting this, but still we have like this, I think similar problems on a different level.
Thank you, thank you. Maybe I would also like to ask Adriana, because we are all in this whole issue of health care crisis, global care crisis. From the performance, you've been working on advocacy work, on migrant care work. Based on the performance you've watched, mayroon po bang bagong perspective na nai-offer ang palabas to contribute into the whole migrant care work advocacy or into this whole issue of global care crisis? And if you can also expound on what is the global care crisis.
Loaded question po. Introduce ko na lang rin ho siguro. I'm from Pinay Care Workers Transnational. It's the first and only transnational union of OFWs, pero home-based sila. So it's not precisely the context of the play, but comparable. So in terms of the global care crisis, for sure, meron talaga, like we talked about yesterday, no, in 2030, there's gonna be over 2 billion care jobs or people needing care globally. And like it was talked about in the play, majority talaga, it's in the Western countries or global North needing this service, meaning to say, it's the people from the global South that will migrate and care for the aging societies of the global North. The question there is, ano muna yung quality of the work? Because as we saw, nursing already is considered a skilled profession, meaning to say there's a level of protection, there's a level of security, formalization. On the other hand, we have also domestic and care workers who are home-based, who are not recognized as the same, meaning to say no labor protection, no proper wages, no benefits. So it's a matter of balancing these realities, but not getting the care workers to compete against each other. So in terms of what the play brings forward, I think it's a matter of starting that conversation on such a human level. Diba? Yung kwento ng OFW at yung kwento nung Aleman, diba? At as was mentioned kanina, it's very rare for us Filipinos to start actually talking about the context in which we're migrating to. What we usually talk about is, okay, why am I, the migrant, so ostracized? Why don't I have these rights? Ganyan, ganyan. Fair enough. At the same time, we need to work with the care workers in the destination country to actually work towards better conditions. Case in point, unfortunately, it's not Germany, but Australia. In Australia, again, maraming Pilipino, nursing din po, they have laws set in some of the states which mandates only a ratio of 1 nurse to 5 patients. Imagine 5 patients versus yung 40 na binigay dun sa nursing student. It's a world away talaga. So for us, yes, there's a global care crisis in terms of the actual need for care workers, but we also need to talk about the quality of the jobs that we're giving migrants. That's one. But also, what's going to be the situation for countries in the global South that is experiencing what is now coined as yung brain drain. Kasi yes, tayo nagpapaaral, taxes natin yung nagpapaaral sa public schools, for example, dito sila natututo, pero for what? Diba? To service foreign countries. And we, Filipinos, are also aging. We also have PWDs, we also have childcare needs. So yesterday we had a nurse talk about these needs in PGH. So the usual call we get from care workers is, can you please hear us? We're out here unionizing, we're out here doing dialogues, we're presenting solutions that are possible. Diba? For example, yung patient to nurse ratio, yung salaries, kasi there's no real need for migration sana kung maayos po yung opportunities dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? So one last point siguro.
Okay.
No? For us, we always want migration to be a real choice. And if you're gonna ask an OFW if care worker siya o kasambahay siya, malamang sa malamang economic po yung need niya kung ba't niya pinili mag-abroad. Hindi yung tunay na choice kung kami ho ang tatanungin. Kasi napuwersa ka na ng pangangailangan mo. So para sa atin, hopefully, yung idea rin nung strike ay manatili rin ho sa atin kasi baka para sa Pilipino hindi siya gaano feasible. Pero kung i-google lang ho natin, nangyari talaga siya sa Iceland nga lang. No? 1975, nag-decide yung kababaihan ng Iceland na mag-strike. Isang araw lang naman eh. Isang araw lang naman. Tumigil kaya tayo magtrabaho, anong mangyayari. In effect, walang gumana sa kanilang lipunan just for a single day at naramdaman yung value ng paid and unpaid care work na binibigay ng kababaihan at nagpasa sila ng batas just 1 year later. So for us Filipinos, sana inspiring siya kasi napag-uusapan na natin ngayon yung problema, nakikita natin may ilang solusyon at ilang paraan rin para mapansin din naman po tayo. So salamat sa pagdagdag ng konsepto.
Thank you, Adriana. Thank you very much. So, again, kailangan nating ma-recognize that there is indeed a crisis. And maybe for just one final question sa ating